Guys, I'm doing a bit on this campus, quick one for the TikTok, not for the YouTube. I had a buy for it, but it broke down on us when we were test driving it. It was a bit funny, I'll be honest, after I jet washed the engine. I gave it a bit of a jet wash and made it all look nice and clean just to show off how clean it was. And it was spluttering a bit, so water must have got in something, but it's never been quite right the same, and it run out of fuel, or I presumed it did. And anyway, it weren't running right. I'm going to change the carb. I've changed the plugs, I've changed the distributor cap, changed all these to off the other campus I've got another campus parked up that you may have seen in a previous video regarding taking the parts off for the Renault 5 Turbo. So I've just undone the clips, undone that wing nut, and this. I'll be changing that fuel filter and whipping the carb off really. I'll start by undoing these 3 bolts. Careful not to drop them. Bolt there missing. Just lift this up out the way. Tricky with one hand in it. So we need to pull this pin out for the accelerator cable. 4 bolts. Pipe here on the back. Pipes on the front here. Pipes on the side. These 2 here. And rod off. Always dropping shit. Well, I had to go and get this repaired. It goes off there, and I can't find one online. I doubt you're ever going to find one of them, whatever it is. It's brittle as anything. Probably going to have to give it a little sand on the inside there by the looks, but let's crack on. Car's back together. It's dark. It's a moment of truth. Get some fuel up to that carb. It's not making that annoying clicking noise anymore. Oh shit. Wow. Nice. Done. Guys, I have sold the Renault 5 Campus. It's going to a company called Action Cars. They do TV work, and it's going to Scotland. This car, you will see it on the big screen hopefully one day.
We'll just stop for sale just now.
Bye bye.